y'all. The 2022 snowstorm in Nashville, Tennessee has started, y'all. Let's go check it out. It's just got started and we've already got a good inch or so, inch and a half. They're saying we could have up to 7 to 8 inches today. On the outskirts of Nashville, Tennessee, Wilson County. Winter, this snowstorm ain't gonna be the same. We're gonna drop down in single digits tonight, but not having Catfish Mama this year with me. Gonna be really hard. It's hard enough to be dealing losing a wife, y'all, a loved one. Now I gotta be stuck in this house and can't get out and have Catfish Mama to snuggle up to and stay warm. Coat's in Florida, gone to Disney World, I guess it is, or Disneyland, I don't know which one. Carver family's in here with a little loot, but I could sit back and enjoy this because we don't get that many snows out in middle Tennessee anymore, but I could sit back and really enjoyed it with Catfish Mama because she would be putting on a big old pot of homemade chili. I'm gonna go in and do a whole lot of picking on the guitar, y'all. Y'all, thanks for all the prayers and everything from everybody. And be 3 weeks Sunday. But I'll update the depth of the snow later, y'all. They said we could have up to 7 to 8 inches, so we'll see. Thanks for watching.